In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively enhance your documents by inserting word art and filling the text with an image. This technique will add a unique visual flair to your presentations or projects, making them stand out. Let's get started. First, open up your document and head straight over to the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This tab is your gateway to a variety of tools, but today, our focus is on word art, which you can find in the text group. Click on word art and you'll see a list of styles to choose from. Each style offers a distinct look, so pick one that best suits your document's theme or the message you want to convey. Once you've selected a style, it's time to input the text you would like to fill with an image. Keep it short and impactful if you want the image to be clearly visible through the letters. After typing your text, you may notice it still looks like ordinary word art. That's about to change. Now, click on your word art text to select it. Once selected, navigate over to the Shape Format tab on the ribbon. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Text Fill drop-down menu, and from there, select the option labeled Picture or Texture Fill. This step sets the stage for transforming your text into a window showing an image. It's time now to choose your image. A dialog box will open up, giving you multiple options. You can select from a file if you have an image saved on your computer that you'd like to use. Simply navigate to the file location, select your image, and click Insert. Alternatively, if you prefer to source your image from online, there are convenient options available right in the dialog box. Choose the route that's most accessible for you. After you've clicked Insert, voila! Your text will now be filled with the image you chose. If you look at your word art, you can immediately see the picture showing through the letters, adding a dynamic and visually appealing detail that is sure to catch the eye. And there you have it, a straightforward yet impressive way to enhance your word art by embedding an image directly into the text. Remember, experimenting with different images and styles can yield exciting results and truly personalize your document. Hack this visual trick whenever you want to give your projects that extra special touch. Thanks for watching and happy creating!